GESCO is an investment company, but actually we understand ourselves as an industrial group. And so we provide the access to the investor to the technology-driven German Mittelstand. We are not a PE company, but we acquire companies with a buy and hold intention. So we want to make these companies grow and becoming even better. We have currently 18 companies doing business in very different fields, but everything is close to production and it's technology made in Germany. Last year we had really a record year. We had very good sales. We had some tailwinds from the economics, which is definitely not the case this year. So spoken as a whole for the whole group, which accounts for roughly 575 million of sales, we do expect the sales to grow a little bit this year, but we do expect our earnings to be lower than last year because of the changed economic situation. We do have 4 segments. One is very close to the automotive, so this is a difficult situation due to uncertainty in the automotive business. The others are very close also to machinery and equipment, and also there the situation in the machinery and equipment industry is not really easy at the moment. And we have one segment with health and infrastructure, which fortunately is not really affected by the current economic developments. So this is a very stable and even growing segment in both terms of sales and terms of earnings. So strategy was set up with a new CEO who joined the group last year, and then myself. And it aims at making the group more viable towards the increasing dynamic changes. And the strategy is composed of 2 pillars primarily, which one is a portfolio architecture. So the structure of our currently 18 investments shall be transferred into a more stable and more diversified portfolio on the one hand. On the other hand, we want to work with our companies to make them what we call hidden champions, meaning small and medium entities, which are, however, very successful in their niche and which can become a market leader. And in order to do so, we have set up some programs with regards to operating excellence, to market and product excellence, to develop them from the inside. We have started already with our new programs with 7 out of our 18 companies to do the kickoff workshops, to identify the potentials, and then also started with either OPEX or MAPEX, meaning operating excellence or market and product excellence workshops. We have currently see the first results at one company in terms of operational excellence, and the points we have found there are quite promising. But I cannot give you at the moment much more details. Nevertheless, the results of the programs shall be measurable, and we finally want to achieve an average range of EBIT for the group of 8 to 10% throughout the economic cycle. So last year we were at 8.3%, but with some economic tailwinds. So we want to have this range stable over the economic cycle. Sommer Strassburger was acquired in August last year. It was really a good success because we did it via a direct approach. So it did not came to us via the market, but we really addressed the owner, and then we could achieve the acquisition. The owner is still on board. And why did we acquire Sommer Strassburger? They have very interesting markets. It's about food, it's about water technology, about pharmaceutical and chemical. The company itself, they make equipment for processes in these specific industries. For example, equipment for filtration processes. And this equipment is made of stainless steel. And the company has a very high expertise and a very high experience in this equipment. And we believe that they really have a good growing potential, so that we think it was really a good deal and will be a benefit for the group in the future.